up, guys? Just picked up my 2019 XP1000 Ride Command, my dealer here in Oregon. It's kind of a dreary, rainy day here. I haven't really put any miles on it yet. But I've been looking on YouTube for some videos, trying to see a better view of it and stuff and what it actually looks like. And all I've seen is the white four-seater and then the blue four-seater. So just want to show you guys this is what the white two-seater looks like and point out some stuff. So on the 2019s they changed all this plastic up here. So all your 2018 and before half windshields, full windshields will not fit the new models. It's more like, it's exactly like the S, the Turbo S is what the same half windshield and full windshield fit. On the Ride Command edition, they did the painted fascia here, gunmetal gray to kind of match the gray in the graphics. The light up fangs on here actually light up. They run the whole time. So when the machine's running, they're running. There's no on and off switch for the fangs. The only thing that comes off and on is the headlights. So lower doors come on it already. The door speakers here on each side sound actually pretty good. There's a little tweeter in there even on each speaker, one in each door, one over there too. There's the Ride Command. I did the half windshield, the roof, and the rear poly, so it doesn't come on the machine. So in the back here, they did the same thing. The painted gunmetal fascia there, and then you got the light up tail light in the back there. One thing, there is a rear camera on this, but there is no front camera. So I guess just the Rock Edition has the rear and front camera. So there is a backup camera, but there's actually a hole in the front, and the wires and everything are like right there. So you can pretty much, right there's the hole for the camera, and the wires are just tucked right up in there. So you can buy the camera from Polaris, plug it in, and the Ride Command will hook right up to it right away and run it. So pretty stoked about it. This is my first XP. I traded in a 2016 1000S on it, and yeah, can't wait to get it out some trails. We hit some snow here and have some fun. So this is the 2019 Polaris XP1000 Ride Command Edition.